Every person is worried in this world. Some people are worried about to earn money. Some are worried about not fulfill their desire. Some are worried about war, and some talk about peace in their worries. Some are worried at the individual level, and some people worried at the collective level. Everyone has their problems, but among all these problems, the biggest problem is human health. If the health of a person is good, then everything can be better. All the problems in this world are due to mental illness or physical illness of a person. I think that if a person takes an illegal way to fulfill his desire, so he is mentally ill. He destroys the environment around him to fulfill his desire. Then these are create problems like war and other bad activities. On the other hand, physically ill is a burden on the society. The person cannot do anything, he cannot do any work. We know that death is a fact, but it is very important to take care of health. Before getting sick, we should engage ourselves in those activities that will make healthy. If we do not do this, Allah will ask us about this precious life after we die.